태국에 있는 두 도시의 거리에서 추격전이 벌어집니다. 국제특별수사대는 멸종위기 외래종을 애완동물로 밀거래하는 악명 높은 상인 2명과 공급원인 밀수업자를 쫓고 있지만 부패 경찰과 발설하면 죽인다는 조직의 규율이 수사를 방해합니다. 반격에 나선 요원들은 밀수업자들을 단속하고 희귀 외래종을 보호하기 위해 비밀 작전을 펼칩니다. 방콕에서 2시간 거리인 태국의 휴양도시 파타야는 죄악의 도시로 알려져 있습니다. 도시 중심부의 워킹 스트리트는 클럽과 무희, 술집들이 즐비하게 늘어선 길이 1km의 거리입니다. 범죄 조직이 장악한 성매매 산업으로 소문난 이곳은 수백만 달러 규모의 외래종 애완동물을 암시장에서 거래하는 범죄자들의 은신처이기도 합니다. 하지만 이제 특수수사대가 밀수업자들을 단속하려 합니다. 이 거리와 인접한 호텔 객실에서 수사팀이 함정 수사를 준비하고 있고 작전을 설명하고 있는 스티브 갈스턴은 환경운동가로 변신한 전직 미국 국가안보국 분석가입니다.
Diamond leads us to Diamond and Gogo. That's where one of our CIs is.
이 의원들은 야생동물 밀거래 퇴치를 위해 갈스터가 설립한 프리랜드 재단의 직원들입니다.
Brad can follow those people, see what kind of vehicle they have. We took pictures with
이들은
your
비밀
phone
요원과
access.
태국의 베테랑 경찰관들로 구성된 국제특별수사대의 한 축이고 2년 동안 외래종 애완동물 밀거래를 비밀리에 수사해 왔습니다.
Has been effective and we might put down a deposit and tell them we come back.
암호명 칠리버드로 명명된 이들의 임무는 두 도시에 외래종 애완동물을 밀수입한다는 혐의를 받고 있는 범죄 조직을 소탕하는 것입니다. 오늘 밤 수사 대상은 파타야에서 가장 큰 밀매상 2명입니다.
The goal is to find out if they are selling. If they are selling, then to take it a step forward and try to get to the source, basically, of who's stockpiling these animals. So we'd have to do a confidence buy to do that. So first thing is to go out and find out, are they still out there?
이 거리에서 가장 잘 나가는 외래종 애완동물은 늘부 원숭이입니다. 보르네오에서 방글라데시에 이르는 열대우림에 서식하는 이 동물은 많은 종이 멸종 위기에 직면해 있습니다. $10를 내면 함께 사진을 찍을 수 있지만 늘부 원숭이를 소유하는 것조차 불법이죠. 이 여성들은 체포될 경우 감옥에 수감되지만 이곳 워킹 스트리트에선 경찰들이 돈을 받고 눈 감아줍니다. 오늘 임무에 앞장선 사람은 수석 수사관 온쿠리 마줌다입니다. 호랑이 밀거래 전문가인 온쿠리는 스티브와 2년 동안 함께 일했죠. 스티브와 온쿠리의 뒤를 카메라맨 마크 라반이 따라갑니다. 그가 사용하는 카메라는 아주 작아서 휴대전화처럼 보이죠. 이 거리는 현지 범죄 조직이 장악하고 있고 술집 근처에서 촬영하다 발각되면 아주 위험할 수 있습니다.
These are criminal groups who are very, very money focused. If one hurts their income stream, anything could happen.
그래서 스티브와 온쿠리에겐 지원군이 있습니다. 에드 뉴커머는 미국 어류 및 야생동물 보호국의 비밀요원이죠. 신변 보호를 위해 신원을 감춰야 합니다. 에드는 전술 지원을 위해 특별수사대에 합류했습니다.
Tonight my mission is following them from a pretty fair distance, but close enough that I can keep an eye on what's going on with them and around them. Looking for counter surveillance. Definitely if there's a safety issue, they do need an extra person there.
스티브와 온쿠리는 늘보 원숭이 상인 2명을 금방 발견합니다.
Okay, photo.
Wait, my friend. What people don't realize is they've been poached, they've been grabbed from the trees, they've had their incisors taken out so that they're, pet friendly.
The teeth are pulled out, usually without anesthesia, sometimes just with a pair of pliers.
And they're scared as hell being on this loud street. They just came from their home in the forest. Why don't we get a picture so we can pay them some money and talk to them?
온쿠리가 늘보 원숭이와 사진을 찍는 동안 스티브는 밀매상인 제이에게 판매 의사가 있음을 확인합니다.
20,000. Yeah, this I want to sell.
How much?
Usually 30,000.
스티브와 온쿠리는 가격을 깎습니다. 그리고 며칠 후 거래하기로 합의합니다.
What's your name? John.
하지만 스티브와 온쿠리가 제이와 헤어진 직후 에드는 제이가 낯선 사람과 만나는 모습을 몰래 촬영하죠. 에드는 이자가 제이의 감시원일지 모른다고 생각합니다.
Hey Steve, it's Ed. Yeah, hey, right after you guys walked off, she made a beeline for the bar and started talking to some guy I don't think we'd seen before.
제이가 특별수사대의 존재를 알아냈다면 파타야에서 진행된 작전은 실패할 수도 있습니다. 수사팀은 불길한 소문이 퍼지기 전에 밀매 조직의 2번째 활동 지역에서 함정 수사를 펼치기 위해 신속하게 움직입니다. 바로 방콕이죠. 폐 주차장에 모인 이들은 또 다른 상인을 단속하고 그를 이용해 외래종 애완동물 밀매 조직의 윗선으로 수사망을 좁히려 합니다.
Busting these syndicates is very difficult because they do protect themselves. And they've got corrupt officers who are on the take who protect them.
밀매 조직의 은신처는 바로 옆에 있는 차투착 시장입니다. 약 14만 1,600제곱미터의 면적에 미로처럼 상점들이 들어선 이곳 차투착 시장은 세계 각지에서 밀수한 거의 모든 외래종을 판매하는 국제 시장이기도 합니다.
This is mafia that is controlling this trade. Millions of dollars worth of animals being sold. And we've got to get our guys in to catch them on hidden camera admitting that they know this is illegal, selling it to them, they can resupply more, and then we bust them.
오늘 수사 대상은 늘보 원숭이를 판매하는 젊은 상인 낙이며 그를 단속해 정보를 캐낼 생각이죠.
There's somebody definitely behind and above this guy. It's a pyramid structure. He won't be the top guy if he's on the floor selling it, hand to hand to the undercover cops. So we want to find out who's behind and above him, climb the ladder, so try to roll him and get information on his supplier.
이 임무를 맡은 비밀 수사관은 태국 경찰 초크입니다. 오늘 임무는 거래를 통해 신뢰를 쌓는 것이죠. 밀매상의 신뢰를 얻기 위해 늘보 원숭이 한 마리를 구입하고 거래 장면은 몰래 카메라로 촬영해야 합니다.
You are the camera, like you are a TV set, right? Because we want a nice picture of this person.
초크의 상관인 라타논 중령은 야생동물 관련 업무를 처음 맡았습니다. 그는 외래종 밀매 조직을 소탕하기 위해 특별수사대에 합류했죠.
เราต้องปราบปรามจับกุมนะครับเพื่อให้กระบวนการตรงนี้เขาไม่สามารถที่จะค้าขายได้นะครับก็เป็นการช่วยอนุรักษ์สัตว์ด้วยนะครับแล้วก็เป็นการที่ป้องกันไม่ให้สัตว์พวกนี้สูญพันธุ์ด้วยครับ
라타논과 함께 특별수사대의 작전을 진행하는 아타폰 중령은 노련한 비밀 수사관입니다. 그는 차투착 시장에 잠입하는 것이 위험하다는 것을 압니다. 하지만 지원 병력 없이 초크를 보내야 하죠.
ทีมแบ็กอัพเรายังอยู่ใกล้ๆแต่เราไม่ใช่ส่งเข้าไปแบบไปเห็นตัวเรามีสัญญาณบอกเหตุเช่นเปิดโทรศัพท์ใส่กระเป๋าเสื้อไว้ถ้ามีอะไรเราจะทัน1 นาทีเราจะถึงตัวโชคครับผม
이제 초크가 출발하고 수사팀은 기다리는 수밖에 없습니다.
ไม่ใช่น้องเมื่อวานที่สั่งตัวนั้นไอ้นั่นเหรอจ้ะ
잠시 후 초크는 중요한 정보를 얻습니다.
ฮะอะไร
ตัวผมพี่ก็เอาไปพัทยาตัวเล็กที่เอาไปเป็นของเพื่อนน่ะมันตัวเล็กมากเลยแท้มากเลยนี่มีขาดตลาด
파타야에서 이루어지는 늘보원숭이 거래가 방콕 차투착의 밀매 조직과 관련이 있다는 첫 번째 증거입니다.
เดี๋ยวดูได้ปะน้องว่าขึ้นมา
조크가 기다리는 동안 상인이 자리를 비웁니다. 낙은 매우 조심스러워하며 다른 비밀 장소에 늘보원숭이를 보관하고 있었죠.
ดังไม่ถูกว่าได้ส่ง
จับนะเนี่ยเขาเลี้ยงมันเล็กมากเลย
เหรอออกข่าวเลย
ชาญขาวจับได้ไม่กัด
ไม่กัดใช่ไหมมันไม่กัดนะ
ไม่กัดครับ
โอ้ย
เขาก็ได้ประมาณ4
5 6 7 8
9,000แล้ว
9 เฮ้ย
조크는 거래를 마무리 지으며 낙과 추가 구매에 합의합니다.
ขอน้ำบัตรขอเบอร์พี่เขาไว้ด้วยแล้วก็เดี๋ยวทุกนี้เดี๋ยวโทรไปบอก
น้องนะยังไงเดี๋ยว
เดี๋ยวมีอะไรพี่ก็โทรศัพท์มาถาม
ได้
ครับผมขอบคุณครับ
이번 임무는 성공입니다. 이제 다음 단계로 넘어가 상인을 체포하고 그를 이용해 밀매 조직에 접근해야 하죠. 특별수사대가 방콕에서 늘보원숭이 밀거래를 수사하는 동안 파타야에 있는 밀매상 제이가 늘보원숭이를 확보했다며 갑자기 연락해옵니다. 온쿠리는 거래를 위해 제이의 집으로 향하죠.
Well, we're trying to build a relationship of trust. So for that, we've agreed to buy 3 animals from her. She said she's got 3 slow lorises.
하지만 오늘 온쿠리의 임무는 단순한 구매에 그치지 않습니다. 수사팀은 온쿠리가 방콕에 있는 외래종 애완동물 밀매 조직과 제이의 연관성을 확인해 주길 바라죠.
We're also wondering at this time whether this friend who is getting these animals, if it's possibly linked to the raids that Athapon has been doing in JJ Market. Maybe it's the same person or maybe they're linked.
비밀 요원 에드 뉴커머는 두 번째 차량에 타고 호위 임무를 수행합니다.
Anytime you do undercover work, it's always high risk, especially when you're wearing hidden microphones or cameras. And they're already nervous that you might be law enforcement, so there's always a chance for a confrontation.
Our backup team is going to give a call about 15 minutes after we've gone in, and it's going to be a really simple conversation like, hey, are you free for dinner? If she says, I don't think so, and that's a signal to them that something's going on and they should probably just come and get us out.
Curry is a very cool customer. Undercover operators, they always have to be on guard that they don't get complacent. They're always looking out for telltale clues that they might be assaulted or challenged.
ชื่ออะไรทุงาน สวัสดีค่ะใส่โอ้เป็นจริงเลยนะเนาะ
늘보원숭이 3마리가 담요에 쌓인 채 소파 위에 있습니다.
Now they're scared. They're scared. Yeah. So this one girl not from Thailand. Indonesia. You went to Indonesia? My friend, dear friend from Indonesia, he buy for me, bring to Indonesia, yeah, Thailand.
하지만 온쿠리가 뒤이어 입수한 새로운 정보는 놀라울 따름입니다.
So small, like if they fall sick, I sell for friend, go to America, Europe, Asia. Wow. medicine. Sleep about 20 hours.
제이는 수사팀이 파악한 것보다 훨씬 큰 밀매상이며 늘보 원숭이를 숨기기 위해 약을 먹인 후 세계 각지로 밀수출하고 있습니다.
Salmon bread, salmon.
집 밖에선 에드가 계속 감시하고 있습니다. 예정대로 수사팀에게 전화를 걸 시간이죠.
Hey, it's Ed.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. Hey, I just wanted to check, see if we were still on for dinner tonight.
Yeah, that should be fine. Just I'll give you a call back in half an hour or so.
All right, see you then. Bye. So now we know everything's good, and just in case somebody else was listening to the conversation or could hear because they were standing too close to her, it doesn't sound like we had a conversation about anything other than dinner.
집안에선 온쿠리가 거래를 마무리 짓습니다. 늘보 원숭이 3마리의 가격은 45,000바트입니다. 환산하면 약 1,500달러죠.
Okay, Kunjen. So Sean told me to ask you that if we want to buy more, can we meet your friend directly and we can give you
온쿠리가 제이의 공급원을 직접 만나게 해달라고 부탁하자 제이는 확답을 피합니다.
Yeah.
Many.
Yeah.
I want many.
Well,
너무 앞서 나갔다는 걱정에 온쿠리는 서둘러 대화를 끝냅니다.
I think I want some more cakes.
เป็นแอนครับพี่เงา
There's Ann. Head on Corey.
함정 수사는 성공입니다. 하지만 온쿠리는 제이에게 너무 무리한 요구를 해 정체를 들키지 않았을까 걱정하죠. 한편 방콕에선 칠리버드 작전이 또다시 진행되려 합니다. 다음 단계는 두 번째 함정 수사이며 상대는 차투착 시장에서 외래종 애완동물을 밀거래하는 조직입니다. 파타야에선 특별수사대가 늘보 원숭이 3마리를 판매한 현행범으로 제이를 체포했습니다. 그 사이 방콕에선 차투착 시장의 밀매상이 태국 경찰의 비밀 수사관 초크에게 연락을 해왔습니다. 하지만 라타논 중령은 아직 밀매상을 체포할 때가 아니라고 판단하죠.
ก็ให้เราเข้าทำการล่อซื้อนะครับก็เป็นรายเดิมอะผู้ค้านะครับเจ้าเดิมก็โซนดีโซนเดียวกับโซนดีเหมือนเดิม
라타논은 초크에게 더 많은 동물을 구입하며 차투착 밀매 조직에 대한 정보를 더 캐내라고 지시합니다.
ก็เดี๋ยวเรื่องอุปกรณ์ตรงเนี้ยก็ต้องปฏิบัติการในพื้นที่ของ
시장에서 몇 킬로미터 떨어진 곳에서 라타논은 작전에 대해 설명합니다.
และเดี๋ยวตอนลงเนี่ยก็คือจะให้เรานั่งมอเตอร์ไซค์เข้าไปนะก็จะได้ไม่เป็นที่สงสัยเนาะ
초크는 이번에도 혼자 시장에 갈 겁니다.
ก็ห่วงในเรื่องของสายของเขาเขาก็มีสายของเขาถ้าเราทำตัวแบบถ้าดิ้นรนหรือว่ามีพิรุษเขาก็จะรู้เราต้องทำตัวให้สบายๆต้องทำใจสบายด้วย เดินไปที่ร้านมาครั้งนึงเอาไปเอาได้ไหมได้มี2ตัวมีไก่ตัวนะรวมเรา
하지만 밀매상이 돌연 계획을 변경하죠. 그는 상점 안에서 거래하기를 꺼려하며 시장의 다른 구역으로 초크를 데려갑니다.
ที่ร้อยไหน
초크는 함정에 빠진 게 아닐까 걱정하며 전화를 겁니다.
บอกเพื่อนยังไงครับว่าไงเพื่อน
โชคว่าไง
นี่เจนี่เจนะเดี๋ยวเขาเจ้าของให้ดูว่ามีอยู่2ตัว
โชคซื้อทิ้งไปก่อน
라타노는 걱정이 되긴 하지만 작전을 계속 진행하라고 지시합니다. 조크는 낙이 조직의 경호원들을 데려오지 않을까 우려하죠.
น่ารักนะอารมณ์น่ารักชอบกันว่ะ
지원군을 요청하기 위해 전화를 걸려는 순간 밀매상이 갑자기 돌아옵니다. 늘보 원숭이 2마리를 들고 말이죠. 조크는 돈을 지불하며 낙의 공급원을 직접 만나게 해달라고 부탁합니다.
ไม่ได้อ่ะดีเลยเนี่ยดูเพื่อนจะด้วยมันยังนี่มายังกลัวเลยยังบอกอยู่เฮ้ยมั่นใจนะมั่นใจโอ้ไม่มีอะไรพี่ไม่มีอะไรแน่นอนยังไงดีอ่ะมันไม่ได้เด็มันถึงเพื่อนเนี่ยไง
If one starts to move in on the other or rats on the other and hurts their income stream, anything could happen. These are crooks.
These people are linked to mercenaries in Africa. One of them is implicated in the murder of someone close to him. So definitely they're nasty characters.
조크는 경찰본부에서 수사팀과 다시 만납니다. 이제 아타폰과 라타논이 다음 행동을 결정해야 하죠.
อีกตัวไหนใหญ่กันใหญ่กัน
ตอนนี้เนี่ยผมเชื่อว่าผู้ค้ารายเนี่ยเขาก็เริ่มเชื่อใจสายของเราแล้วนะครับก็ในขั้นต่อไปเนี่ยเราคิดว่าจะพยายามหาความเชื่อมโยงว่าในกลุ่มเครือข่ายเขาเนี่ยใครที่เป็นรายใหญ่เลย
ตัวของกลางเนี่ยอยู่กับเราคือตัวนางไอแล้วก็ลิงนมอยู่กับเราพอสมควรแล้วนะครับแล้วก็พยานหลักฐานเรื่องที่เราจะใช้ในการดำเนินคดีก็โอเคก็มีพอสมควรแต่ว่ามันอยู่ที่ว่าตอนจะจับเนี่ยจะเกิดปัญหาอะไร
아타폰과 라타논은 행동을 개시할 때가 왔다고 판단합니다. 조직에 접근하기 위해 밀매상을 체포할 시간입니다. 늘보 원숭이 2마리를 특별수사대에 판매한 지 48시간이 지났고 이제 차투착 시장의 밀매상에겐 시간이 별로 없습니다. 아타폰은 밀매상을 체포할 수 있는 증거를 충분히 확보했고 그를 미끼로 삼아 밀매 조직을 잡을 계획이죠.
เองเปิดแล้วเองก็ใส่นี่ไว้สามารถจะได้ยินว่าเองเดินไปไหนเองก็พูดว่าตรงเนี้ย
또다시 조크 혼자 밀매 조직의 본거지로 들어갑니다. 하지만 이번에도 성공하려면 밀매상을 구슬려 시장 밖으로 데리고 나와야 하죠.
แต่ส่วนเขาจะนัดส่งของกันที่ไหนเนี่ยมันก็อยู่ที่ทีมจะทันหรือไม่ทันแถวนี้นักเลงเยอะผมก็คนเราก็มีไม่มากเพราะนั้นก็ยึดเส้นนี้เป็นหลักนะ
현금 전달이 체포 신호입니다.
ก็ไม่รู้
조크가 돈을 지불하면 지원팀이 체포 작전을 시작할 겁니다. 조크가 출발하자 아타폰과 그의 비밀 수사관인 A와 몬트리 중이가 각자 자리를 잡습니다.
ตัวนั้นป่ะคนละตัวคล้ายๆกันแต่คนละตัวตัวเดียวกันแต่พอแล้วที่นั่งรถอะไรมาแท็กซี่รถติดรถติดคนนี้ต้องนั่งมอเตอร์ไซค์แบบมืดใหญ่งานเที่ยงหน้าเหมือนตอนนั้นก็ไม่ใช่นะการคนละตัวเขามี3 ตัวรอลูกค้า
조크가 거래를 하는 동안 아타폰에게 문제가 생깁니다. 조크를 시야에서 놓친 것이죠.
มาจะมาซื้อหมูกันที่ได้ไงกันที่ไม่ได้
조크는 체포 신호로 돈을 건네줍니다.
ฉันอยากถุงนะเนี่ยอะไร
하지만 아무 일도 벌어지지 않죠.
นะครับโอเค
초크는 뭐가 잘못됐는지 알 수가 없었죠. 그는 낙을 놓치지 않기 위해 커다란 위험을 무릅쓰고 미행합니다.
โอเคโอเค
아타포는 몇 구역 떨어진 곳에서 초크의 전화를 받고 지원팀의 출동을 지시합니다.
นัดจ่าอย่าวิ่งตำรวจวิ่งทำไมนัดตำรวจคุยกันนะเฮ้ยมึงไม่ต้องคุยมึงไม่ต้องคุยสวัสดิ์เดี๋ยวคุยโทรหาผู้ปกครองดิไม่ใช่โทรคุยกันนะผมจะตบปั๊บไม่ต้องคุยเลยไปตามไปมาไม่เห็นเปิดไม่ได้พอผมเนี่ยผมจัดการให้ผมก็โดนครับเฉยนี่สารวัตรมาอย่างนี้เนี่ย
하지만 수사팀은 아직 밀매 조직의 영역에서 위험하게 노출돼 있습니다.
ไม่ใช่พวกเราเลยป่ะเดี๋ยวกลับก่อนเองกลับกองนะผู้หาอยู่
아타포는 모두에게 본부로 철수하라고 지시합니다.
เพื่อนชื่ออะไรคนนั้นชื่ออะไรแล้ววันนี้ไอ้ไก่กี่ตัวละไม่ได้ขายแล้วขายที่ไก่ขนาดตัวเดียวเหรอหมดแล้วผมจะโกหกไหมผมไม่ได้เป็นค้าขายแบบจะข้าง
A와 몬트리는 공급원을 체포할 수 있도록 밀매상에게 중요한 정보를 달라고 설득하죠.
คือถ้าเองช่วยงานเราเนี่ยหนักมันก็จะเป็นเบาสมมุติว่าถ้าเองบอกให้ความร่วมมือเราพี่นะตรงนู้นตรงนี้มันยังมีอยู่นะ อย่างน้อยๆอ่ะหนักเองจะเป็นเบาถ้าที่ใหญ่กว่ามันมีผมรู้มีแต่ว่าผมไม่รู้เหมือนกันว่าเขาไอ้นี่ขนาดไหนจบได้ยานผมก็โดนเขาเห็นหน้าผมก็ซวยลูกน้องเขาก็มีใหญ่กว่าก็ถึงเอานะเขาก็ต้องวิธีเราอะมีวิธีเราอะมีวิธีเราอยากโดนคนเดียวก็เรื่องเล่าเหมือนกับยาเสพติดเงี้ยโดนนี่มามันก็สั่งถ้าเรา
아타폰 중령과 칠리버드 작전에겐 나쁜 소식입니다.
กลัวผมว่าเขากลัวแน่ครับแล้วผมก็มั่นใจว่าเขามีซัพพลายเออร์ที่ใหญ่กว่าเขานั้นการที่เราจะขยายผลไปสู่ซัพพลายเออร์ที่ใหญ่กว่านี้มันไม่น่าจะเป็นไปได้ แต่เขาคงจะให้ข้อมูลได้
방콕의 밀매상은 진술을 거부하고 있지만 파타야에 있는 특별수사대는 기회를 잡습니다. 제이가 만나고 싶어합니다. 이제 제이는 차투착 시장의 외래종 애완동물 밀매 조직과 연결돼 있는 마지막 단서입니다. 너무나 많은 것이 걸려있고 시간도 촉박해서 스티브는 홀로 만나기로 하죠. 술집에서 만난 제이와 제이의 남자친구는 다른 곳으로 자리를 옮겨 밀거래에 대해 논의하기를 원합니다. 이들은 이미 차투착 시장에서 밀매상이 체포됐다는 소식을 들었습니다. 이때 제이가 수사팀이 찾고 있는 연결고리를 언급하죠. 제이의 공급원은 차투착 밀매 조직의 일원입니다. 스티브는 공급원을 소개시켜달라고 부탁하지만 제이는 거절합니다.
Okay. They said they can't introduce me. They said they tried. He said that he's scared, that he has heard of foreigners even acting as assistants to Thai police, and he didn't dare to do it. So I don't know what we're going to do. We got to come up with some other strategy next.
얼마 지나지 않아 제이는 이틀 안에 다시 만나기로 합의하죠. 스티브 갈스턴은 48시간 안에 밀매상 제이를 만날 겁니다. 그의 목표는 제이와 차투착 시장의 공급원을 체포하는 것이죠. 이제 계획도 마련했습니다. 제이의 차량에 몰래 추적 장치를 부착하고 동물들을 더 주문한 후 공급원에게 가는 제이를 추적하는 것이죠.
Well, the entire operation is potentially dangerous because we think that, well, we know they pay a police officer down there, so they're running into perhaps a corrupt officer at the same time. So tracking the car physically through all that traffic in Pattaya, finding out where they go within the next, this thing, the battery only lasts 48 hours. This has all got to happen quickly.
스티브는 파타야 호텔 로비에서 제이와 제이의 남자친구를 만납니다. A와 몬트리는 도로에서 감시하며 출발 신호를 기다립니다. 아타포는 이동 지휘소에서 작전을 진행할 겁니다. 핌은 스티브와 계속 연락을 취하고 프레이는 제이의 차량에 송신기를 몰래 부착하는 순간부터 제이를 추적할 겁니다.
Hi, Pim. They've gone upstairs with Steve.
So they already been upstairs with Steve.
스티브가 묵는 호텔 객실에서 함정 수사를 펼칩니다. 거리에선 아타폰이 A와 몬트리를 호텔 지하 주차장으로 보냅니다.
เพราะว่ามันขึ้นไปพบสตีฟอยู่ข้างบนแล้วนะอะไรนะพบแล้วตอนนี้อยู่กับสตีฟแล้วสตีฟจะดึงได้ไม่เกินไม่นานเองรีบกลับมาติดแต่ว่าก่อนจะติดเนี่ยให้ดูรถตู้ก่อนนะเดี๋ยวรอแป๊บนึงอย่าเพิ่งรอรถตู้แป๊บนึงก่อน
A와 몬트리는 신속하게 움직여야 하죠. 이들이 언제 내려올지 아무도 모르기 때문입니다.
คนมันอยู่ตรงนู้นด้วยเห็นเปล่าไม่ได้เดี๋ยวต้องเชื่อ
몬트리가 망을 보는 동안 A는 제이의 트럭으로 갑니다. 한편 호텔 객실에선 스티브가 제이에게 늘보원숭이 2마리를 주문합니다.
จะทำก่อนได้ละพรุ่งนี้ได้ไหมได้คิดว่าตัวละเท่าไหร่ได้พิกนี่ก็ตัวละ10,000ส่วนไอ้นางอาไทยนี่ตัวละ15,000พิกนี่ตัวเล็กเป็น10,000หรอ
스티브는 구매를 부탁한 존에게 연락하는 척합니다.
Hi, John.
실제로는 핌에게 전화해 모임이 거의 끝나간다고 알리는 것이죠.
Yeah, and they can get the pygmy store for us. It's not with them; it's with their friend, and they'll.
Okay.
So they'll leave soon, and maybe just go to work. I'm not sure.
Okay, thanks. Steve just called. He placed the orders. The meeting is finished.
하지만 아직 송수신기를 설치하지 못했습니다.
ต้องสั่งแล้วนะเวลาไม่มีแล้วสตีฟบอกว่าทำนั้นเสร็จธุระแล้วใช่ไหม
เมื่อคืนฝนตกตลอดตกทำอะไรไม่ได้เลย
송수신기를 설치했지만 배터리 지속 시간이 이틀밖에 안 됩니다. 수사팀은 제이가 물건을 빨리 전달해 주길 바랄 뿐이죠. 제이는 호텔을 빠져나갑니다. 수사팀은 제이를 감시하며 미행합니다. 제이는 워킹 스트리트로 가서 야간 영업을 합니다. 자정 무렵 제이와 남자친구는 집으로 돌아갑니다. 집 밖에선 A와 몬트리가 이들을 감시하죠.
แต่ถ้าเกิดว่ามองเข้าไปในรอบช่องก็จะเห็นรถเขาจอดอยู่เพราะเมื่อกี้เราเฝ้าไว้แล้วก็ยังเห็นรถเขาจอดอยู่อันนี้ชัวร์แน่นอนคือเขาหลับนอนแล้วพี่น้อยวนอีกรอบเดียวตายเลยพี่
하루가 지나고 하루밖에 안 남았습니다. 제이를 체포하려면 내일 체포해야 하죠. 거의 24시간을 감시했고 마침내 늘보 원숭이 밀매상 제이가 다시 움직입니다. A와 몬트리가 제이의 차량을 주시하는 동안 핌과 프레이는 각자의 노트북으로 차량을 추적합니다.
She's moving. Look like she is heading up north.
제이는 공구번에게 갔다가 스티브가 기다리고 있는 파타야 호텔로 갈 겁니다.
เขาจะต้องตื่นมาแต่เช้าเหตุผลก็คือเขาต้องการไปในที่แห่งหนึ่งเพื่อจะเอาสัตว์ป่ามาส่งให้ CI.
하지만 문제가 생깁니다.
They left from the main street.
ไปรับตีแล้วออกแล้วเดี๋ยวสวัสดิ์ตามก่อน
อาจจะตามห่างๆนะพี่ไม่ต้องตามติด
รถมันออกก่อนเดี๋ยวรถตู้ตามก่อนใกล้โรงแรมที่สุดนะเพราะตอนนี้เราไม่รู้ว่าเขารู้ว่าเราตามหรือเปล่า
아타포는 선택을 해야 합니다. 작전 실패를 각오하고 제이를 계속 추적하거나 미행을 중단하고 공급원을 체포할 기회를 포기해야 합니다.
ก็คงจะต้องไปรอเขาที่ใกล้โรงแรมที่สุด
아타포는 미행을 중단하고 스티브가 묵고 있는 호텔로 갑니다. 위층에 있는 특별수사대 본부에선 프레이가 제이의 차량을 계속 추적합니다. 다들 차량이 호텔로 돌아오고 있다는 소식을 기다리죠. 2년간 계속된 수사의 성패가 결정되는 순간입니다.
They stop a little bit by at the same place they stopped this morning, and they now keep moving now, and they should reach here in around 15 to 20 minutes.
아타폰의 대원들이 호텔 주변에 배치됩니다. 잠시 후 A와 몬트리가 제이와 남자친구를 발견하죠. 그리고 이들을 체포합니다. 아타폰도 신속하게 도착합니다.
ขอให้แสดงบัตรประจำตัวประชาชนนะ
제이와 남자친구는 범행 사실을 부인하지 않았죠.
ต้องจับต้องรู้ไหมว่ามันเป็นสัตว์ป่าคุ้มครองของไทยรู้ไหมครับรู้นะ
아타포는 이들의 약점을 이용해 차투착 시장의 공급원들에 대한 정보를 요구합니다.
อะไรแพงไม่ใช่ผมถามอันนี้คืออะไรครับน้องไปเอามาจากไหนครับ
อันนี้ไปซื้อมา
ที่ไหน
จากกุจัก
เหรอซื้อจากใครนะครับ
ค
คุยกับสารวัตรจะคุยได้
ไม่ทราบว่าเขาชื่ออะไรนะครับ
칠리버드 작전은 이제 마지막 단계에 접어들었고 아타포는 제이의 집을 급습해 엄청난 증거들을 발견합니다.
เราคงไม่ตีความที่นี่ว่าเป็นแหล่งสวนสัตว์อะไรนะครับ เราคงจะตีความว่าเขาผิดไปแล้ว เขาเริ่มต้นจากการลักสัตว์ ทุกคนต้องรู้ว่าไม่มีสิทธิ์
집안 곳곳에 보관된 우리에서 수사팀은 늘보원숭이 7마리를 발견합니다. 금액으로 환산하면 35,000달러에 달하죠.
แต่น้องก็รู้ใช่ไหมว่าเป็นสัตว์ป่า
เราเลี้ยงนอนด้วยทุกวัน
ตัวนี้ชื่ออะไรถุงพลอยชื่อว่าเขาชื่อมันผู้หมวดดิบด้วยโอ้ยทำไมผมถึงไม่แปลกใจเลยว่าทำไมการค้าขายถึงเกิดขึ้นเพราะความน่ารักของเขาแต่ความน่ารักของเขาก็เป็นปัญหาเดี๋ยวน้อง
제이와 남자친구는 꼼짝없이 잡혔습니다.
สัตว์ทั้งหมดผมยึดไว้เป็นของกลางแล้วก็ขอกล่าวหาน้องครอบครองสัตว์ป่าคุ้มครองของไทยนะครับเพราะที่นี่ไม่มีพิกมี่
하지만 아타폰이 제이에게 원하는 건 공구번에 대한 정보입니다.
สิ่งที่พวกเราพูดเนี่ยมันจะใช้เป็นพยานหลักฐานได้นะโดยที่ไม่สนใจว่าใครจะมาบีบถ้าเราให้การแบบไม่จริงมันก็เป็นผลไม่ดีต่อพวกเราเองนะ
하지만 아타폰은 아무런 정보도 얻지 못합니다. (2년간의) 수사가 난관에 봉착한 상태에서 아타폰은 제이를 풀어주기로 합니다. 반면 남자친구는 늘보원숭이 거래 혐의로 구속될 겁니다. 아타폰이 설득하는 과정에서 제이는 더 많은 질문을 받을 겁니다.
สำเร็จครับสำเร็จอย่างนี้ถือว่าสำเร็จวันนี้เราเจอนางอายถึง7ตัวนะครับแล้วก็เป็นที่ยืนยันแล้วว่าเขาไปเอามาจากสวนจตุจักรนะครับซึ่งตอนนี้กำลังจะสอบถามเขาเพิ่มเติมว่าเอามาจากใคร
칠리버드 작전은 외래종 애완동물 밀매 조직원 2명을 체포했고 밀매 조직이 멸종 위기에 몰린 희귀종을 태국으로 밀수입해 전 세계로 밀수출하는 경로도 파악했습니다.
We finally managed to get the traders and catch them red-handed, which gives the police very strong evidence to work the case. Do a general sweep through Chattojak market.
작업은 이미 시작됐습니다.
Chattojak Market has been very difficult to shut down in terms of the illegal wildlife trade, but we got to keep trying. Everything comes back here. This is the center. This is where all the people come together, their international trading post, where all the deals are made. We are not done now. You can never be done with wildlife law enforcement. You have to keep going. You have to be vigilant because the poachers and traffickers never give up, so we can't give up. We're coming at them.